everybody, Ben with magicplan here. Today I want to talk to you about using CAD softwares in conjunction with magicplan. Using tools such as SketchUp and AutoCAD can really help you streamline your process and get high degrees of accuracy with your floor plans. Today I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of integrating these tools with magicplan and share with you a couple tips and tricks that can be really helpful for you saving time when using magicplan in your CAD software of choice. So first things first, we actually have to create a floor plan in magicplan. So I've got my iPad here, we're in our office, and I'm going to scan in using LiDAR and show you how that works, as well as the object detection and how we can make some corrections with a Bluetooth laser after the fact. So I've created a new project. We're on the 3rd floor. And I'm going to go ahead and add a room using the scan with camera option. We're in a conference room right now. So I'm going to calibrate the iPad. I'm just going to point at the wall and click on the center of my screen. I'll start following along the wall until I get to the other wall. I'll add that. And the same process for the remaining walls. Tap in the center of my screen. And you'll see in the bottom left, I'm getting a little indication on what my floor plan looks like right now. If I made the last wall, I'll click done. I'll point at my ceiling, tap on my screen, and now I'll start adding objects. So we have a French window right here. It detected the type exactly. A second window, and a third window. Very, very quick. I'll go ahead and add a hinge door. This thinks it's a double door because it has that little piece on the left side there. I make a small adjustment to it, pick up my Bluetooth laser on the way by, and finally the last hinge door. Now I'm done scanning, so I'll click exit AR. Yes, I'm sure. And let's go ahead and make sure that this is connected. So I want to measure this wall right here. So I'll click on the dimensions down here, and you'll see my laser's already connected because there's the little red indicator next to laser. But if I hadn't connected yet, I would just click here and follow the instructions that you're prompted. So my laser's already turned on. So I'll stand right here, make sure I'm going across the room, and make small adjustments. As you can see, the LiDAR scan was really, really accurate, but this laser gives that 99 percentile accuracy that you'll need if you're an architect or a designer, somebody that needs that high level of precision. And now that we're done with the floor plan, and we have our windows and our doors added, we can go ahead and start the export process.
So this is the floor plan I created after scanning the conference room. We'll now transform this into an office, so I'll add some office furniture to it. We can also switch the view to see how it looks in 3D. Since my AutoCAD does not support the exact dimension style that I'm using right now in magicplan, I'll be changing the units to the metric system to check how accurate our floor plan dimensions are. Now I'll access our web application at cloud.magicplan.app to log in and download the file. This is the floor plan that we just created, and now we'll export the file. In this case, I'll be exporting a DXF file. We can see that the file has been downloaded already. Now let's open AutoCAD to import this file and start creating our nice new office. I started by checking the dimensions and modeling each building material in the plan in separate layers. This made it much easier to create the walls. Then I used the furniture blocks that I added to the magicplan floor plan as a reference point for placing the real furniture in their respective positions. Once I added all the furniture and materials to the walls and floor, I used AutoCAD on a Windows machine as AutoCAD for Mac does not support rendering. Here, you can see I'm adding the camera and some lights to make it look more realistic. So magicplan not only allows you to create professional looking 2D and 3D floor plans without the use of a tape measure or pen and paper, but it also helps you to significantly reduce the time spent on creating floor plans. Besides, you can ensure the accuracy of your measurements and use magicplan's extensive library of objects to enhance your floor plans before you even start working on a CAD software.